Chestnuts roasting in an air fryer. Chestnuts today from my local greengrocers, Cassidy's of Formby. I've no open fire, but I've got an air fryer. Let's have a go. Dead easy. I'm just putting 6 in because I just fancy them. As a little snack, I'm going to put it on bake. The ninja is away. Been here for about 15 minutes, let's have a look. They're sizzling away. And they smell lovely. Let's let them cool down a bit before I burn myself trying to eat them. And there you go, another victory for the air fryer. They look like little green alien brains. And they're really good. They're excellent. Wish everybody Merry Christmas. And please note, no spoons have been used twice in the making of this video. If you know, you know. Anyway, a brilliant Christmas. Thanks for everybody who's been watching recently. We've been an upturn in viewers on the channel. So thanks very much. Have a nice Christmas and hope to see you again soon.